and girls, Alex here with Mynd Property Management. I have a guest with me today to help us talk a little bit more about, or learn a little bit more about investing in Elk Grove, California. My guest today is Dan Hines. Dan, how is it going?
Things are great. How are you?
Great. So here we are. Dan has lots of experience, managed 1,400 units in Sacramento and Elk Grove for Mynd Property Management, which is he's a co-founder of that company, and now he's a regional director here at Mynd. Very excited to have him. So anything Sacramento related, and if you are a Mynd customer or potentially looking, you can reach out to Dan and he can help you out. But today we're gonna answer a question we get a lot: how to handle a maintenance emergency in your Elk Grove rental property. Dan, what would you do?
Well, first step is have a good property manager so you don't have to mess with it yourself, especially in the morning. In all seriousness, though, build your vendor list first. Know who your go-tos are. Know who the plumber is. Know if they take after-hours emergency calls. Know who's out there that can extract water. If you have some sort of an issue, water's flooding a hallway, the baseboards are soaked, water's soaking up the first 6 inches of your walls. The last thing you want to be doing is running through Yelp or some other listing trying to find qualified plumbers in the area that can service you. So the old saying goes, if you fail to plan, you will plan to fail. Step one, know who you're going to call. Step two, if it's an emergency, do a real quick triage, stop the bleeding. And then when you're putting everything back together, do it right the first time. Do not cut any corners. Those things will normally end up costing you more money in the long run. Quick service, button it up.
I'm going to repeat what you said in the other episode you and I have done. You said water is the what? Enemy of real estate?
Absolutely. Water is the arch nemesis of real estate. Arch
nemesis. And he improved that saying every single episode. Well, boys and girls, that was pretty cool. I mean, I think it's important to start interviewing people before you have a problem, or, as Dan said, hire a qualified property management company. If you want to learn more about investing in Elk Grove, being successful, go to mynd.co, mynd.co, type in Elk Grove. Dan and I have done a number of interviews on the subject. Hopefully we helped you out today. Dan, thank you for your time.
All right. Thanks for having me.
And thank you for watching.